Hi, I'm Lina, your wellness ambassador. I'm here to empower you on your journey to wellness through yoga and holistic practices. Whether you're looking to reduce stress, improve flexibility, or find more balance in your life, yoga can really help. It's not just about the poses, it's about connecting with your body and mind. Not sure if you've done yoga before and if you know already, but there's 8 sides to yoga. Yoga is more than physical postures. It's about a holistic practice. It's connecting the mind, the body, and the spirit. There's 8 sides to yoga, and it's guiding us towards a balanced life. The first is Yama, so how you respond to your environment. The second is Niyama, is how you are with yourself. Third is Asana, the physical postures. The fourth is Pranayama, breathing techniques to calm the mind and body. The rest is Pratyahara, withdrawing from the senses. And then Dhyana, what you focus on is where your energy flows. Dhyana, which is meditation, bringing you into a deeper awareness and bringing it all together, ultimate peace, enlightenment, living your life, the ultimate life hack. So I invite you to explore these 8 sides of yoga and bring them into your wellness journey. And on my channel, you'll find that with the yoga, you'll find flow, wellness tips, and meditation to empower you and inspire your journey to health and happiness. And I believe wellness is a holistic experience. So together, we'll focus on nurturing your mind and your body and your spirit. So join me to discover the path to a greater well-being. Let's create a life of balance, calm, and harmony, one mindful breath at a time.